How to log in HSBC online account.
So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. The first step is you need to open up your preferred browser on your PC. After that, in the search bar you have to click and search for.
HSBC online account.
Soon after searching, you'll be able to see this interface over here. You have to go for.
HSBC UK personal and online banking.
After that, you'll be opened up to the official web page of.
HSBC.
So in order to log into your account, you have to go for login option in the right upper corner in red color. After that, you'll be opened up to this interface over here. In this text box, you need to enter your banking account. After that, if you want your username to be remembered, then you can you remember me option. By doing this, from the next time you don't need to enter your username, you will be directly logged in into your account. After entering, you have to go for continue. If you have forgotten your username, you can go for this option where you will be helped to recover your account. If you are not registered, then you can go for this option where you can create your account. So by following this simple step, you can log in HSBC online account. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.